So this is just to mark, they're etching their and others do for sports.
Yes, yes. So these are very auspicious moments for us at Brookside Dairy. 30 million total sponsorship.
Say first, who are the
Our belief as Brookside Dairy is that we need to take this talent several decibels higher after the nationals. So yes, we are working on a platform where we can secure sports scholarships for people who are talented and who might be headhunted during the national Term 1 games.
And we are grateful that the international community is gaining a lot of confidence. That is why International Schools Federation chose Kenya to host the World School Championship. And Brookside Management, we will continue partnering with you.
This is a big platform for youth development. As you know, in this country, KSSA offers the best platform for all our children in school to make sure that their talent is well cultivated and given the platform where they showcase their talent.
And